Challenges faced during retirement planning. Retirement is the only time in your life when time no longer equals money. However, we face many challenges during the time of retirement. The challenges vary from the internal mindset issues to lack of information to parameter estimation, etc. Some of them are mindset. A typical reaction to retirement planning is my salary is low, nothing is left at the end of the month. Unable to save will start once I get a raise. This is a case of bad money management. There is always a scope for saving a small percentage. The best way to start saving is to simply relook at the expenses pattern and pull some 5 to 10% from expenses. There are good mechanisms in a market where a direct debit will set aside an amount directly into an investment and then the balance is yours to spend. Awareness. Lack of awareness about investment products and making incorrect choices is another big challenge in the entire process of retirement planning, as it simply misleads the investor from wealth creation to wealth destruction without realizing until binding commitments are made. For example, investing in an asset gives you lower returns than the bank or the rate and increases your expenses commitment to finance the asset. Investing in real estate like apartments for rental income is a classic example. See how it works. So you put 20 lakhs upfront and buy a property of 1 crore. You start EMI on it for 80,000 and you collect rent of 25,000. You just increased your EMI commitment of 55,000 per month. This is called wealth destruction. The net effect is an increase in cost commitment. So instead of this, if you had to put this 20 lakh in mutual funds and then made SIP of 80,000 for 20 years, guess the amount you could have accumulated. More than 8 to 10 crore, assuming a return of 12% per annum. You think that 1 crore apartment will touch 10 crore in 20 years? Can't say. We cannot say that guaranteed returns will come from mutual funds investment also, but mutual funds will offer flexibility to change the investment portfolio and also flexibility to increase and decrease contribution. Role of advisor. There is a well accepted norm of the insurance agent in our country, but we are not used to the concept of an investment advisor or retirement advisor. After taking some advice from friends and relatives, individuals believe that he or she has planned for retirement. The role of the expert in retirement planning is underestimated. One needs to understand that the retirement planning process requires formal education in personal finance, taxation, insurance, investment products, and portfolio analysis skills. A professional is always better informed than a friend or relative. Duration of retirement. We also underestimate the duration of retirement. The average life expectancy has increased from 65 to 70 years 20 years ago to almost 75 to 80 years now. And now, 20 years down, the long longevity is likely to increase. So, one is looking at 25 to 30 years of old age without income, but expenses which could be three times today. Here, retirement planning becomes a challenge. It's like asking how long one will live and therefore how long do we have to plan for. Inflation estimate. Inability to estimate inflation. It's not possible to predict how inflation will pan out in the future for the next 20 years. Therefore, difficult to make assumptions. As a thumb rule, inflation of 4 to 6% is fair for a developing country like us. TIP doesn't underestimate inflation. Today, if your cost of living is 25k per month, rest assured it will be 3 to 4 times in 20 years, especially in a country like India where inflation hovers 4 to 6%. In addition to mindset and lack of awareness, there are estimation parameters that are unknown in retirement planning, which possess a bigger challenge than behavior or awareness.